sales is not just about being the best presenter. Sales is also about saving your customers, saving your prospects from themselves. And there's a lot of people on these calls that have gotten their income to a level where any individual deal is not really going to like make their day or break their day. They don't care. And when you get to that point of income, you start to realize it's not just about money. It's not just about making a sale. I want to improve this person's life. I want to improve this company's life. It's really difficult to improve somebody's life and help yourself at the same time when they just want to talk about the software. They just want to talk about the features. They just want to talk about your pricing. So Matt just gave a perfect example of how you can steer back to what's really important with just out of curiosity. If you remember from before, we had talked about air traffic control cards. Those are in your portal, your eastonuniversity.com portal. I know it's low tech, but all of my people have what we call air traffic control cards, which are very specific questions that they want to ask anybody who's calling us regarding sales coaching. And they use exactly how Matt just did it. Hey, I just want to know what the price is for an individual person to get on Easton University. Awesome, I can help you with that. Just out of curiosity, what industry are you in? Well, I'm in software right now. When you say software, can you give me a specific example? Yeah, we do data for medical companies that let them know X, Y, Z, and ABC. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Just out of curiosity, what are you making right now in terms of income? Where do you want it to be? I'm doing pretty good right now. I'm making $200,000. Congratulations, that's awesome. Would like to be, like to cross that $500,000 mark. Perfect. What's holding you back? I would say for us, for me, it's closing because I have appointment setters. Look at now how much valuable information we got. Then when that person, and by the way, this happens, I walked by, this was the exact conversation I walked by earlier this morning, right? Oh, what's your price? $4.99. Okay, thanks, bye. Right? Just out of curiosity, what industry are you in? Just out of curiosity, what was your biggest reason for reaching out to us? Right? Use that just out of curiosity. It's absolutely magical.